Well, I've just got back now after the scarifying job, and although this looks like I'm in exactly the same position as I was at the beginning of me scarifying video, trust me, I've just got back there, and you can watch the video to prove it. But anyway, I'm going to do a little, not so much of a review, but just to show people what the scarifier is and what it looks like underneath, because I've had loads of questions about what's underneath it. So I'll just go through it now. It's not in depth. There's not really much you can report on a scarifier. So I'll just go over the basics and like what the engine is, how wide it is, and I'll show you underneath. But I'm quite happy with it, and it does a great job, as you can see. So let's have a look what's underneath it. Okay, so it's actually 29 inches wide, which will get through most doorways. So we take a look what's underneath, and it's quite heavy actually. Not too heavy for a man of my calibre, of course. And if we take a closer look, so what we've got is blades, and they're all like on like spring fed. So they do move, so it does help if you're obviously hitting anything hard, any bricks or obstacles. So I mean, I don't know, I haven't oiled these or anything, I haven't done anything to them at all, I just used the machine, but maybe they could be done, a spray, and I probably will do it now while I'm talking to you, a spray with some WD-40, because I never do. But they do move, as I say, like that, and centrifugal force just pushes them all out. So how many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, so 14, and we've got 1, 2, 3 rows of 14. So that does a decent job. There's not much else I can say really about it. I'll just give it a spray while it's there. And as I say, I haven't used the WD on it before, and I haven't even greased it or anything. So I will, after this little talk, I will have a little look to see if there's any grease nipples, and I'll give it a go. So, okay, that's that. The adjustments, I've seen this a few times on different various models. This is the adjustments, obviously up and down this, but you've got to loosen this first. Which, again, to be honest with you, I have it set. There's no numbers on it to set it, but I just have it at what I feel comfortable with and what I think it's doing a good job. So people have asked me what I set it at, and I can't explain because I just put it down till I think it's doing the job. I'll just give this a little bit of a squirt as well, but I'll do that in a second or two. Don't need to see me squirt that. So this moves. You adjust this, and then that's used to tighten it. Then that collar tightens it. But it would benefit from a bit of WD-40, but as I say, I don't use it, or I don't use it much anyway. I don't alter it. So that's that. So the engine, what's the engine? Let's see what the engine is. The engine is a Briggs & Stratton, and it's 5.5 overhead valve. Now, what can you say? It works well, works fine. I do myself personally prefer Hondas. I know Briggs & Stratton, absolutely nothing wrong with them, and this is done, as you've seen on my videos, just lots and lots and lots, and hopefully there's lots more to do with it, energy left in it, and life left in it. So that's that. What can I say about the back? This is just a piece of string. This is my chance to say I try and avoid anything like this that looks trampy. But you put it on, and then you think that'll do for now, and it stays. I don't like things like this. These are the type of things that I used to do years and years ago. You know, when I first started out, and you just do things to get by. And I've learnt my lesson. Like, you know, as you've noticed, you know, uniform van written up and sign written and things like that. It's just, I think it looks better, and I don't like things like pieces of rope hanging, holding things together. But that's what it is for now. So anyway, and when you lift, I have that up about there when I'm doing the scarifying, so it shoots out. I don't like it closed. There's obviously too much, it gathers too much under there, and just puts wear and tear on the engine. It still will work because it's slipped down a few times when I've had it tied up. so it still works. So all in all, there's not really much I can say about it. That's all I can say about it. And then of course the handles are folded down at the moment. You know, they just fold up, tighten up with the nuts here, and then this, you just pull this bar in. Once this bar is pulled, it engages. The other thing I could say is, I don't know if any eagle-eye person's seen it on the videos. I have got the cover for it. It's over there in the lockup. There's a cover, a plate that goes over there. And really speaking, it's quite dangerous to leave this open. And I say dangerous, it's not dangerous, it's only me using it. But it covers this, and one of the bolts sheared, and it just needs replacing. But again, it's all time. So I have got that over there, and that can just go back on. And again, this missing and that bit of rope, it just doesn't look professional. So I don't like things like that, and that's why you see me going out buying tools or saying I need this and I need that. I don't like make do's. I have done it all my life, no more. So that's the review. If you need any more questions, you can ask me. It's an Apache, and there's just a badge that's on it. So basically, yeah, that's it. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope that was of some interest to somebody. See you on the next video.